Here I have DOOGEE S88 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to enable power saving mode on this device. So first of all, you have to go to the upper bar, and here you have the button battery saver. Tap on it once and you can switch this mode. By holding your finger on it, you can also access some of its settings. You can, for example, set a schedule for it based on your percentage. Let's set it maybe on 25%. And you can also set it to turn off automatically if the battery charge is up to 19%. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.